Hello and welcome to the University of Cincinnati's Information Technology Department's web tutorials. Today we will be showing you how to install WordPress on UC file space. So to begin with, we need the latest version of WordPress. So go to wordpress.org, click on download WordPress 3.5, and then download WordPress 3.5 again. And then save that to your computer. The next thing we are going to need is the FileZilla. So go to filezilla/project.org/download.php. Once you're there, click Download Now. And hit Save. So once those are downloaded, we need to open a browser and go to http://uc filespace.uc.edu. Once you have opened the UC file space, click on the login and use your central login 6+2 and password. So once you have logged in, it will give you more information about what you are currently using on UC file space. So for WordPress, we're going to need a MySQL database turned on, so click the checkbox on. And make sure you save this password here. So after saving that password, click on the My Database. And now you can create your new password for your database. So type in the old password and create your new one. And set password. So now you have changed your password. Make sure you write down your new password. Also, now that you have created a password, you can go into the administrative side of the database. To do that, go to ucfilespace.uc.edu/phpMyAdmin. For this particular tutorial, we will not be going into that because you do not need it for downloading and installing WordPress. But if you want to go ahead and play with that, you are free to do that. Alright, so now click on My Files. Then click on Sites and Open. So now we need to upload that WordPress file. Click Browse. Mine went to the downloads. It's where yours probably is as well. Click on that WordPress 3.5. Hit upload. So now it is upload. So if we click on it, we need to go and click on the unzip tab. So now it is unzipped. So now we need to open FileZilla that we downloaded. Run. Click Agree. Next. Make sure you know where it's installing to. And install. And click Finish. So now we need to connect to UC file space. So in the host, we will put UC file space. wordpress.uc.edu. Username will be your 6+2. Your password will be the password for that. This is your central login. And the port will be 22. And click Connect. And we trust this host. Okay, so now you will see two file systems. The one on the left is your local file system, so that's your C drive and any drives you have on your computer. The one on the right is your UC file space file system. So go to the sites folder and the WordPress. Now we would want to move this WordPress folder up one level. So move it up into the dots. So then we can go back to sites, and here we have WordPress. So we can go ahead and delete these two unnecessary folders. So the zip one, can delete it, and this WordPress 3.5. So we can delete this one. So now all we have is this single WordPress folder. So let's double click on this WordPress folder. When you open it, it should have all these PHP files in it and should look like this. Now we need to go ahead and install WordPress. So to do that, let's go to our browser. Go to homepages.uc.edu tilde your 6+2 slash WordPress, which is that WordPress folder, slash wp-admin slash install.php. So now we need to create a config file. So click on create a configuration file. Click let's go. So our database name would be our 6+2 that we created with the MySQL database in the UC file space. Your username will also be your 6+2. And the password will be that whatever password you changed your database password to in the UC file space. So whatever you change the new password here, that's what goes here. So once you've typed in your password, I'm not going to type mine in, so I don't want you guys knowing my password. Once you've typed in your password, click submit. And if all worked correctly, it'll say, congratulations, you've made it through this part of the installation. So run the install. So congratulations, you've installed WordPress. You just need to fill out this form, create the site title, password, your email, whether you want, what the privacy settings you want, and then click install WordPress. I hope this tutorial helped you. Good luck in your classes.